In beginning renovations, money will start flying out the window. You gotta know where the chunks of cash are going and try to avoid any unforeseen expenses. How do you decide which property issues make the cut for your budget?
I'm Randy Vaughn, and this is Michigan Flip. I am so excited. I'm a Michigan native, but I live in Southern California where I do my design work. I bought a house. It's in Michigan, and I'm gonna flip it. That's what this web series is all about, flipping property in Michigan. I don't know how it's gonna turn out.
You have to consider your transportation. It is an expense. I needed a truck that I could be able to pick up what I need: lumber, doors, windows, large items that I wouldn't be able to put in a sedan or an entry-level sized vehicle. To rent a truck and to have insurance on that truck, you're gonna pay a monthly rate, could be like $2,000. Easy.
So I have this idea. My dad has 3 trucks and 2 cars. For sure he'll let me use one of them while I'm renovating.
I don't want to do that. Accidents seem to find her.
That was not my fault. The other lady ran a red.
I thought, okay, fine. If you can flip a house, you can flip a car. Maybe I just buy a truck and just put a sign for sale when I'm done. I went online and this is what I found. It's a 2002, it had 70,000 miles on it, and it was only $3,000 with the fees. I scored.
The name of the game is money, and you're investing in investment properties to make more of it. So where do you put your money?
First, fix anything that could be considered dangerous or a safety issue. This could hinder the approval of your buyer's loan. On my house, it was the railings.
Address those things that are functionality concerns. Great function in a home equals great value.
Who doesn't want a new refrigerator? I created almost 200 square feet of storage by putting a subfloor in my attic. Cha-ching!
Consider your aesthetics.
I added crown molding and baseboards to really give the house a finished look. Let's look back one more time at the exterior. The aesthetics that I added for curb appeal, the Victorian trim, the dormer windows and shutters, and the rail across the front were must-haves to my budget and were less than $2K. Off to spend some time with my folks. This is George and Gracie. They're a couple of emus. They live right next to a herd of deer. Ooh, life on the farm at my parents' place. Well, it's not a typical farm. It's more like a Dr. Dolittle farm. Mason monitors everything. He's taken us here to the chicken coop where you can find peacocks and a bunch of other pretty birds. My mom made some coffee and I'm ready for the morning chit-chat.
Randy, I want to talk to you about something. Your mother told me you want to sell your truck, but I want to buy it.
Really? You have 3 pickups and 2 cars.
Yeah, but the other pickup has had it, and it's ready for the heat pile.
What do you need another vehicle for? If you get one, you got to get rid of one. Enough is enough.
I need that truck.
I tell you what, Dad. I'll make a deal with you. If I sell you my truck, when I come back to Michigan, you gotta let me drive it.
I don't know if I want to do that.
He was not that quick to strike a deal with me. I was on my way back to Holly and checking out some nice homes along the way.
I gave you some tips on what to include in your renovation budget. Here are my thoughts on what not to include.
Try to avoid these expenses. Unnecessary upgrades. If it's not broke, don't fix it. Stick to your budget plan, Stan. This is a seller's market. Let your buyer request a home warranty. So you guys should sell him the truck?
Dad's starting to soften up. I think he'll let you drive it when you come back. I mean, it's not like he doesn't have another car.
I proposed the idea one more time.
You have to let me drive it if I come back into Michigan.
All right.
We had a deal. I sold the truck to my dad for $3K. My cargo vehicle expense? Nothing. And my dad sold his heat pile truck to contractor Bob.
You're nuts. Absolutely nuts.
Well, the thing's not have reverse, but it works.
Everybody's happy.
Accidents seem to find her.